Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're checking if your PS5 controller might be dying and how to bring it back to life. Start by unplugging your PS5 controller from the console completely. Place the PS5 controller on a clean, flat surface so nothing presses on the buttons. Take a close look at the PS5 controller's light bar. Is it glowing, pulsing, or completely off? If there's no light at all, connect your PS5 controller to the PS5 using the official USB-C cable. Make sure the cable fits snugly into the PS5 controller's charging port. Watch for the orange charging light on the PS5 controller. If it blinks, power is reaching it. If the PS5 controller still shows no light, try using a different USB-C cable. Next, plug that cable into another USB port on your PS5 console. If the PS5 controller starts blinking orange, your previous port might be faulty. Leave the PS5 controller connected for at least 10 minutes to build a charge. After that, press the PS button once to see if your PS5 controller turns on. If it doesn't, flip the PS5 controller over and find the small reset hole on the back. Use a paperclip or SIM ejector tool to press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. Now reconnect the PS5 controller to your PS5 with the USB cable again. Press the PS button and check if the light bar turns blue or white. If your PS5 controller connects successfully, it's not dead yet, it just needed a reset. But if you're still having issues, go to your PS5 settings to check firmware updates. On your PS5, open Settings, then Accessories, then Controllers. Select Wireless Controller Device Software to see if an update is available. If there's an update, connect your PS5 controller with the cable and start the update process. Wait until the update completes before unplugging your PS5 controller. Now test the buttons and joysticks on your PS5 controller in a game or system menu. Move both analog sticks and check if they drift on their own. If you notice unwanted movement, your PS5 controller may have analog drift. Power off your PS5 and disconnect the PS5 controller again. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently clean around the analog sticks. You can also use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Rotate the sticks while cleaning to remove any dirt or debris. Let the PS5 controller dry for a few minutes before powering back on. Reconnect it to your PS5 and check if the drift is gone. If not, try adjusting dead zones in the game settings to reduce the effect. Next, let's check the battery health of your PS5 controller. Go back to the PS5 settings menu and select Accessories. Open Controllers, and look at the battery indicator on screen. If it drains quickly even after a full charge, your PS5 controller's battery may be wearing out. Plug the PS5 controller directly into the console again, and use it wired for now. This helps confirm if it's a battery issue or a wireless connection problem. If the PS5 controller works fine while wired, it's likely a battery degradation issue. You can replace the PS5 controller's battery if you're comfortable with repairs. But if not, contact PlayStation support for an authorized replacement option. Before that though, check for wireless interference around your PS5. Move any Bluetooth devices away from your PS5 controller to reduce signal issues. Also, make sure your PS5 is not inside a cabinet or blocked by metal objects. Restart your PS5 and pair the PS5 controller again via the USB cable. Press and hold the PS button until the light flashes white. Once the PS5 detects the PS5 controller, select it on screen to pair. After pairing, unplug the cable and test the wireless range. Walk a few feet away and check if the PS5 controller stays responsive. If it disconnects again, try deleting the controller from Bluetooth devices and repairing. Go to Settings, Accessories, and Bluetooth Accessories. Highlight your PS5 controller, then choose Delete. Reconnect it again using the USB cable and pair it freshly. This clears any old connection data that could cause issues. Now your PS5 controller should feel more responsive and stable. Finally, test it in a few different games to confirm all buttons work normally. If you still experience problems, you may need professional repair or replacement. But if everything's working smoothly, you just saved your PS5 controller from dying. Like this video if it helped and subscribe for more PS5 troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. See you in the next PS5 fix tutorial.